Welcome to 2204 Driscoll Street, just steps from the River Oaks Shopping District. This contemporary home is 3 stories, is elevator ready, and features an upgraded security and tech package. Enjoy seamless indoor-outdoor living with this covered veranda and this gas-burning fireplace. This large kitchen island is perfect for entertaining and looks out to your open concept living and dining room. Upstairs, this master suite features a coffee bar, lots of natural light, and real white oak hardwood floors. This gorgeous master bath has both a freestanding tub and a walk-in shower. Enjoy double vanities and this expansive walk-in closet. Thanks for joining us on our tour today, and be sure to come back for the next one.